Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Done For You Profit Suite review. Now, one of the most popular ways to make money online right now is actually to go on sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Legit, and a host of others, and actually do work for people. One of the most lucrative things you can do on those freelance websites now is actually create websites. There's a lot of demand out there for website creators, website designers. Now you might be thinking, well, that's all well and good, but I don't know how to design websites. Well, Done For You Profit Suite has taken this concept and figured, well, let's take all the heavy lifting out so you're able to create websites for people on those kinds of websites without actually having any knowledge of how to design whatsoever. So you can charge anywhere from hundreds to a couple $1,000s for a decent website. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, charging people for websites and then automatically generating them with content in them and getting paid just as much, if not more, than any other designer on any of those freelance websites, then you're going to want to take a look at this product. Today we're going to take a deep dive into Done For You Profit Suite, and as well as that, I've also sourced a whole bunch of really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with Done For You Profit Suite so that you really hit the ground running. Before we get into any of that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, and if you want to be updated on other platforms coming out, hit subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Also, if you stick around till the end of this video, I've gotten you some discount codes that you can use that are going to knock off a chunk of coin from the price during launch week. Also, if at any point in time in this video you want to jump ahead and check out Done For You Profit Suite on your own, make sure you first click the link in that description, because that will take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. And by clicking on these green buttons, it will lock in all of these bonuses for you before then sending you off to the Done For You Profit Suite sales page. So my bonus page is integrated with the official sales page. So if you do decide to purchase in the end, you will not only get Done For You Profit Suite, but you're also going to get all these bonuses along with it. So the first bonus I've gotten for you is called 7-Figure Mastery, and this is really just everything you need to know in order to build a business online. So a lot of fundamental knowledge. It goes into everything: building a business, designing a blog, advertising on different social media platforms, copywriting, email list management. Basically, it's covered all of the milestones that you're going to hit when you start creating an online business. This is a massive product, and it goes into anything you could possibly want to know. Everything from email lists, social media, copywriting, building a blog, writing content correctly, finding the right offers to advertise, Google ads, Facebook ads, just everything. So I threw this in there. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. The second bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus, two pretty new products that I've been able to source: affiliate marketing success and email marketing success. So these are going to go deeper into affiliate marketing, how to incorporate affiliate marketing into your website effectively. And the other one, email marketing, is how you can capture emails and really try to turn your email list into something that enables you to basically print money, so that whenever you send an offer to your email list, you're able to get sales every time. So that product really goes deep in on that. Bonus number 3 I've gotten for you, another two-part bonus, basically revolving around lead generation or getting traffic to your site. So I've got lead generation on demand and boost your website traffic. Both have a lot of gold nuggets on how to proactively go out there, find your audience, get them to your content, to your website, to your offers, to your email list, because that's really the name of the game. So these two products are going to help you figure out how to do that. What have you got? Social media, SEO, question answer forums, utilizing Google, just every way you can imagine to getting people eyeballs on your content. Bonus number 4 I've gotten for you is $1 Million Copy. So when you have that email list, when you are putting out offers, when you are maybe creating landing pages, knowing how to trigger an emotional response in people is really, really important. If you don't know how to write copy, you are going to know now. Copywriting is one of the high income skills that a lot of people are talking about right now. If you're good at copy, you can demand a lot of money, and if You don't want to create websites for people on those freelance websites. Copywriting is another extremely lucrative niche that you can get into. Bonus number 5, the vendor has basically hooked me up with a bunch of their bonuses to give to you, just a real ridiculous amount of bonuses. I'm not going to go through all of them, but basically it's a whole ton of WordPress plugins, all kinds, digital marketing, affiliate marketing, plugins for like pop-ups, building landing pages, a bulk email sender. We've got an Instagram feeder. We've got a WordPress site builder. We've got, I'm just browsing through really quick because there's just a ton. We've got legit templates that are usually sold for 60, 70 bucks. We've got a bunch for free. Business card creator, templates. I'm just flying through it here. Agency landing page templates. Build websites. Bulk build websites. What have we got here? Advertising groups, more WordPress themes, just a whole bunch of bonuses that they've hooked me up with that are really going to optimize your website or multiple websites or even websites that you decide to make for clients. So just a ton of bonuses there. If that sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll go to my bonus page, lock in your bonuses using these green buttons. That will send you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. And I'd recommend going through this in your own time, seeing testimonials, functions, features, and everything, making sure that it's right for you. If you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt, which looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be Done For You Profit Suite. Under the blue button will be all the bonuses that I just talked about. My email's there if you have any problems. And I will say that keep your eye on this countdown timer, because when it runs out, the bonuses will no longer be available. So basically the quicker you get in, the more you get for the lower price. Now, without further ado, let's get into the over-the-shoulder look at Done For You Profit Suite so you can see exactly what to expect. So when you enter the Done For You Profit Suite site, it's going to look like this. And one thing you'll notice straight away is that there is AdSense and video training, which I recommend always going through first, just making sure that you're using everything correctly and you're taking the right steps in the right order. So let's say you get a client and they want a website done. So this is what we would do really quick. Add new site. And you've already got your templates here in all of the main niches. So we've got, web hosting. We've got templates for that. Templates for yoga, pets, dogs, computer gadgets, spirituality, muscle building, sports betting. So let's do maybe yoga. Actually, let's do dog training since that's a really popular niche. So automatically we've got 5 templates here, and you would just choose one. You can view them or select it. So we're going to select that one. I like that one. And we give it a site address. So I'm going to call it dogs. Lovely dogs. I don't know. Lovely dogs. And we add site. So our website has already been created here. So let's we can go ahead and visit the site straight away and see what it looks like. And there we go. Lovely dogs. Done For You Profit Suite. And there's our site already set up. There's already content there. There's already menus there. This would probably take you a couple of days if you were doing it through normal WordPress. And we also have our shop set up there. Social media links. And if you send this to a client who wants a site done for their dog store or whatnot, they're going to be like, wow. Not only does it look great, but you've created it in about 4 seconds. And it's very easily editable. So let's go into the edit. Let's go into the dashboard and just see how easy it is to edit on this Elementor platform. A lot easier than WordPress, let's put it that way. So we're going to edit our blog. We're going to edit page up here. So it does look a lot like WordPress. It is actually built on WordPress, but it's just using the Elementor platform, which just makes it a lot easier. So we're going to edit with Elementor. And really what this Elementor platform does is it just enables you to drag and drop essentially. So here's our website here. We can see it live. and these are all our elements here. You know, you can add virtually anything you can think of. We can add a Google map at the top there if we want people to know where our business is. You just drag it on. There it is. And we can zoom, edit that, we can do what we want, we can add the location, style, advanced. What else can we add on here? Just a ton of things we can add. If you just login screens, headlines, price lists, price table. So we can add a price table there if we're selling something. We can add those. You can edit everything here. What else have we got? Just really anything you can think of. Facebook page, image boxes, star ratings, galleries. You can do testimonials. What do those testimonials look like? Let's take a look at what they look like. Oh yeah, and you can add a testimonial there. And then you just go update. So anything you want to add, it's very easily customizable. And let's see what our website looks like. It's probably not going to look that good. But yeah, I mean, there's our testimonial. It does keep everything looking really tight and clean. There's our price list there and our map. And really you got columns here, so you can obviously add things to, you know, whatever area you want, and then customize it really as much as you want. So a lot easier. You know, standard WordPress is not a drag and drop platform, so this is really gonna just make things super fast for you. And that's essentially all there is to it there. You'd log in, definitely go through the training, and then just play around with the different websites. And maybe you can set up a couple of pre-made websites, or, you know, however you do things. But really, it's just a great tool for taking that heavy lifting out of creating websites, whether it's for yourself or other people if you're freelancing. All right, I hope you enjoyed that demo. I hope you're excited to get your hands on Done For You Profit Suite. Now, really quickly, if you go through to my bonus page in the link in the description again, you will see really what to expect as far as pricing goes. So the front end is $27, and it's basically everything you just saw there in that quick demo I gave you. Now, I will say that you do only need the front end in order to get access to all those bonuses I just talked about and the discounts. So don't feel like you need all the upsells in order to get the bonuses. You do only need the front end. If you do want more than the standard amount, one-time offer, there's just more Done For You websites and more articles in different niches, SSL certificate, live chat. You can see the extras that you're getting here if you just go through to my bonus page and read up on it. There's an upsell number 2, which is joining the template club, and they will send you 10 templates a month and 5,000 royalty-free stock images and 25 PowerPoint templates. And then upsell number 3, 97 to 197 is the reseller license. So if you want to sell Done For You Profit Suite under your own banner and reap all the profits, you're able to buy the reseller license down there as well. So just a ton of value on offer here when you think about it. During launch week, $27, and you're getting a couple hundred, maybe a few $1,000s worth of bonuses on top of that. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up in the comments on social media or in my email. I do reply to absolutely everybody. If not, hope you love Done For You Profit Suite. I think you will, and I think you'll love all of those bonuses that I've gotten for you as well. So have fun, take care, and I'll catch you again on the next video.